United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, in collaboration with the Federal Ministry of Education, has launched a national multi-stakeholder consultative engagement on the Peace Education Initiative, aimed at fostering a peaceful and inclusive society through education. The initiative seeks to embed peace education within Nigeria's learning system by establishing a nationally owned, sustainable and system-wide framework that promotes values of tolerance, dialogue and conflict resolution among learners. Speaking at the event, Mrs. Obianiju Anigbogo, Director of Education Planning, Research and Development at the Federal Ministry of Education, emphasized that the new framework will be infused into every part of the national curriculum to ensure that peace building becomes a key component of teaching and learning across all levels of education.
Right now, he said that it has to be infused. It's not going to be a standalone, so that people don't make it as an elective. It's going to be infused in every aspect, especially the general courses. Then at our own basic level, it is already there, infused in our civic education and even in the history. Then in the university, also in the general studies, it's already infused there. So for its implementation, it's already running.
Also speaking, representatives of UNICEF noted that lessons drawn from similar initiatives implemented in other countries will guide their actions and support for Nigeria's peace education agenda. The agency reaffirmed its commitment to working closely with stakeholders to ensure effective implementation and measurable impact.
Of course, we've done it in other countries, but what we know is that we need to identify really the sensitivities, the challenges, the risks, or the opportunities in every single country that we work in, really capitalize on those working with the local stakeholders. So of course we have some experiences from other countries, including Rwanda or Cambodia or even India, where we've done this work successfully, or to a certain degree successfully, and so we can relay and connect to those experiences as we're working with the Nigerian stakeholders.
Dr. Augustina Godwin, Commissioner for Basic and Secondary Education in Taraba State, underscored the importance of peace education in addressing issues of violence, intolerance, and social division. She stated that fostering peace among children and youth is key to achieving national stability and sustainable development.
Peace education has become a necessity. And as you know, Nigeria is a very diverse society, multi-ethnic, with a multi-religious background. And Nigeria has had her own share of ethnic, religious conflicts. And even we have farmers, herders, clashes. And so, you know, it is an imperative now that Nigeria sits down and looks at how we will integrate into the curriculum, into our education system, all that is needed that will help shape the character of their behavior, foster tolerance among our children.
The consultative engagement brought together education policymakers, development partners, civil society organizations, and state representatives to discuss practical strategies for integrating peace education into Nigeria's basic and secondary school system.